Hola, soy Miquel y bienvenidos de vuelta al canal. Antes de empezar quisiera aclarar algunas cosas. Primeramente que el producto que van a ver a continuación es ficticio, no es real. Y siguiente que el contenido de este video va a ser en inglés, sí, así como lo oyeron, en inglés. Porque es un deber y no me quisiera meter en ningún tipo de problema. Pero por si las dudas les estaré dejando los subtítulos por aquí abajo para que los anden leyendo y no se pierdan ningún detalle de lo que estoy tratando de decir. Así que eso es todo y comencemos. Hello everyone, this time we will talk about a product, a shampoo. But first of all, the objective is tell the features of a shampoo to explain its benefits and be the leading shampoo trademark. So let's begin. Yeah, Mark, I didn't have luck selling these shampoos, but I'll try it for the last time at that house. It requires drastic measures. I'll talk to you later, Mark. Oh, who is? I'm not waiting for anyone. I hope it's important. Good afternoon, sir. I'm here in representation of Inglés Corporation. Have you ever heard about our company? I think yes, but I'm not interested, thank you. But sir, let me show you the benefits of its new product, shampoo. I don't have option. Come in. Thank you, sir. We assure you that you will never be disappointed with us. Yeah, I'm sure of that. Okay, speak. This is Caspol, the best shampoo that you can get because it fights against the dandruff, it hydrates and nourishes your hair, giving it a natural shine, like mine, and extra resistance to any damage. This shampoo is made only with natural extracts that benefits your hair, as we said before. Oh yeah, this is interesting. And this isn't all. You can have one day to try our product and later tell us how did you feel with the results. Oh yeah, maybe I will try it. Thank you! Here you have your free sample. So, I will come here tomorrow to hear your opinion about our product. Good luck and good day, mister. But I took a shower in the morning. Whatever. I'll try this garbage. That was amazing! You little friend! You revived my hair! Yes, Mark, perhaps we got a customer. Oh yeah, but... yeah. I'll talk to you later. I will see what happened. Good afternoon, sir. How did you feel when you used our product? I'm really happy. That was the best shampoo that I tried. I already told you, sir. Yes, how can I get more? Well, Hairless gives you a free new Caspol shampoo! Tropical Breeze. Also, you can go to your favorite shop and buy it for the cost of $9.95. You can choose between 3 different presentations. Flowers, coconut, or the new Tropical Breeze. Go now and get 65% off in your product. Available until June 19. If you have any questions, call this number. We stay there the 24 hours. And remember, your hair alive again. Caspol. And that was the video. Don't forget to leave a like if you liked it. I'm Miquel and I wish you a good luck. Goodbye.